Welcome to the Guide to Afterpay Payment Schedule, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand and navigate the popular Buy Now Pay Later service. Afterpay allows you to purchase products and pay for them in installments, making it easier to manage your finances. To start using Afterpay, you need to create an account and link a payment method, such as a credit or debit card. Once you have made a purchase using Afterpay, you will be presented with a payment schedule that outlines the amount you need to pay and the due dates. The payment schedule typically consists of 4 installments, each due every 2 weeks. For example, if you purchase a product for $100, you will pay $25 every 2 weeks for 8 weeks. It is essential to review your payment schedule carefully and ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover each installment. If you miss a payment, you will be charged a late fee, which can range from $8 to $23, depending on the amount you owe. To avoid late fees, make sure to pay your installments on time or contact Afterpay if you are experiencing any difficulties. Best practices for using Afterpay include setting up automatic payments, monitoring your account regularly, and only purchasing products that you can afford to repay. By following these tips and understanding the payment schedule, you can use Afterpay responsibly and enjoy the benefits of buying now and paying later. In conclusion, the Afterpay payment schedule is a straightforward and manageable way to pay for purchases in installments. By creating an account, reviewing your payment schedule, and making timely payments, you can use Afterpay with confidence and avoid any potential issues. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and only purchase products that fit within your budget to ensure a seamless and stress-free experience with Afterpay.